Hey everyone, welcome back to Basket of Information, the place where we break down real life topics that actually matter. Today, we're diving into a debate that never seems to end: degree versus skills. What's more important in today's world? Let's settle this once and for all. Alright, so let's be honest. We've all heard it. You need a degree to be successful, and at the same time, skills are all that matter. But in a world that's evolving faster than ever, where do we really stand? Is that college degree still your golden ticket, or are practical skills the real game changer? Let's start with degrees. A degree gives you credibility. It shows that you've committed years to study a field. For professions like medicine, law, or engineering, there's no skipping it. Plus, a degree can open doors, especially in traditional industries where HR still filters resumes based on qualifications. It also teaches discipline, networking, and sometimes a structured way of thinking. But is it enough? Now let's talk skills. In the digital age, skills can be learned from anywhere: YouTube, online courses, internships, even self-practice. Coding, video editing, digital marketing, design. These skills are in demand, and employers are starting to care how well you do something, not where you learned it. Big companies like Google, Apple, and Tesla have already dropped degree requirements for many roles. Why? Because someone with real skills can often outperform someone with just a degree and no hands-on experience. But here's the truth. It's not degree versus skills, it's degree and skills. A degree might get your foot in the door, but skills will keep you in the room. And if you don't have a degree, then your skills need to speak loud and clear through projects, portfolios, or experience. In 2025 and beyond, it's about how adaptable you are. Can you learn? Can you solve problems? Can you deliver results? So if you're in college, focus on building skills alongside your studies. And if you didn't go to college, don't worry. Sharpen your skills, build proof of work, and keep learning. What do you think matters more, degree or skills? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. And hey, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next one.